Have you ever felt stuck in a job that doesn't excite you? Or maybe you've always loved motorcycles but never knew how to turn that passion into a career? If that sounds like you, this video could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Hello everyone, and welcome to the RaceX YouTube channel. My name is Denis Storm, and here we're all about motorcycles, riding them, fixing them, and everything in between. Whether you're a weekend rider or someone who lives and breathes motorcycles, this is the place to fuel your passion and learn new skills. Today, we're diving into an exciting and life-changing topic: how to become a motorcycle mechanic. If you've ever wondered how to turn your love for bikes into a rewarding career, stick around because I'm going to guide you step by step. Let's start with this. Motorcycles are more than just machines. They're a lifestyle. The thrill of the open road, the freedom, the community. It's something only riders understand. But what if I told you that you could take this passion and turn it into your profession? Becoming a motorcycle mechanic doesn't just mean fixing bikes. It means becoming part of a global community, helping riders stay on the road, and working with some of the most incredible machines ever built. Now let's get to the heart of the question. How do you actually become a motorcycle mechanic? First, it starts with knowledge. You need to understand how motorcycles work: their engines, their electrical systems, their brakes, suspension, and even the smaller details like chain tension and tire pressure. This is the foundation of your journey, and it's what separates the enthusiasts from the professionals. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend years in a traditional classroom to learn these skills. In fact, many successful motorcycle mechanics got their start by learning at home, working in their garages, and building their skills through hands-on experience. The key is to have the right guidance, and that's where we come in. At RaceX, we've created a motorcycle mechanics course that's designed to take you from zero to hero. This course is packed with step-by-step tutorials, practical advice, and insider tips that you won't find anywhere else. You'll learn everything from basic maintenance to advanced repairs, and the best part, you can do it all online at your own pace from the comfort of your home. If you're ready to take the leap, click the link in the description below and use the code BIKE10 at checkout to get 10% off. This is your chance to invest in your future and start a career doing something you love. Imagine being able to fix any motorcycle that comes into your garage. Imagine earning a living while working on the bikes you've always admired. That's what this course can do for you, and we're here to support you every step of the way. So, whether you're dreaming of working in a professional workshop or starting your own motorcycle repair business, the journey begins here. Take the first step, check out the course, and start building the career you deserve. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your dream bike to work on? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the RaceX channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a video packed with tips, tricks, and everything motorcycle related. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep riding, keep wrenching, and keep chasing your passion.